Boom! We are back. We are live. Welcome to the greatest show on earth as it relates to prospecting in the morning. Expireds, canceleds, for sale by owners. I am your host, Chris Igoe. Igoe Home Group, powered by Remax Direct. We are doing big things. All right, so I am actually recording this on another device too, so you can see the screenshot and see what that looks like. But without any further ado, I'm going to start the power dialer and do big things. So before I hit this list, I just want to get my mind right a little bit here, a little mindset training. And look, I'm grateful. I am filled with gratitude. I've got a technology platform that allows me to connect with the daily expireds. I'm grateful for that. I've got the technology to record it and share it with you. I'm grateful for that. And again, I've talked about this before. This room was started as an accountability group for me and two other people. And we're closing in on 2,000 people in this group right now. So I am super grateful for that. That's that's more than I ever thought this room would be. And it's amazing. So let's level up together. Let's do big things. Let's get shit done. Let's set an appointment. So away we go. Start power dialer. All right, so there are 12 records to call for today. I'm going to call, so 6 of them are going to be filtered out because they're not in price points that I want to speak to. And that's that. So away we go. Hey, Lisa, good morning. Today's the day. Today's the day. 10 closings a month. 10 closings a month. I got a FSBO appointment at 11 today. Actually had a great appointment yesterday. The FSBO strategy is it's great, but it can be a slow play. So the people I met with yesterday, great property, great location, older home, about $700,000, a little bit overpriced, but if it does not sell, and because of the location, it might actually sell on its own. But if it doesn't, then I suspect that I will be the logical choice. So you got to get those appointments in, you got to get those reps in, you got to get the practice in. And if you're watching this and you're new and you don't know what to do, call 10 people today. Do it today, and then tell us how it went. So if you're confused about that, I've posted what I say to for sale by owners, my for sale by owner pitch. It's uploaded in the group. Print that, go on Zillow, pick out 10 people in your area, call them, use my pitch. And whatever you get stumped on and don't know what to say, post that in the group, and I suspect someone will respond and give you an answer how to handle that objection moving forward. And I also will get to that too. So let's do it. All right, so I am hitting play, or excuse me, I'm hitting send.
The touchtone phone, please enter your PIN number. Your PIN number can be found in the dialing box on your screen.
All right.
You are now logged into the Mojo Dialer. Please press the start button on
How many in January? How many what? Not enough. Not enough. Need more. But I think the answer is 7. How many listings did I take? 7. 0 closings in January. Not 1. 0. I've got 4 for this month. Ooh, gotta hit play. Sorry. 0 closings. 7 listings. So it is imperative to have a pipeline of business and listings and things in escrow. Good morning. This is Chris Igoe with Remax. I'm giving you a call. I noticed your property listing had expired in the MLS.
I'm not interested. Please don't call again.
Okay, real quick in closing, because I haven't said anything interesting yet. Did you have any offers on the property while you were listed? Good talk.
Larry Duval, and thank you for calling. Please leave me your name, telephone number, and a brief message, and I'll be happy to return your phone call as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a super fantastic day.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Doc, this is Chris Igoe with Remax. I'm going to make it a super fantastic day, but I wanted to reach out to you. I noticed your property listing had expired in the MLS. I was curious, how on earth did the property not sell? If you would, please give me a call back. My number is 561-516-2442. Again, 561-516-2442. Thank you. So this is a short list, 1 down, 5 to go. And we're doing big things. Hello, this is Chris Igoe with Remax. I'm giving you a call. I noticed your property listing was canceled in the MLS. I was curious, how on earth did the property not sell? Oh, you did. Now, did you sign with him already, or you're thinking about it?
Pretty much, my wife just took care of it already.
Okay. Hey, look, I respect that. I'm curious, though. I noticed the property was on the market for about 188 days before it was canceled. Did you have any offers on the property? He hung up. All right, 2 down, 4 to go. What's up, Ernie?
Reached Eric Barranca. I'm unable to get to the phone right now, but please leave your name, phone number, and a brief message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
All right.
Thank you for calling Duval Chiropractic Center. Our office hours are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 to 12:30 and 2:45 to 6:30. Tuesdays from 2:30 to 6:30. Thursdays and Saturdays by special appointments only. At the sound of the tone, please leave your name, telephone number, and a brief message, and we will be happy to return your phone call as soon as possible. If you need to reach Dr. Duval, please call 561-702-0078. Thank you, and have a great day.
The tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
I'm dropping a message on that one. Woo, that took a long time. All right, next.
Forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 443-668-6424 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Good morning. This is Chris Igoe with Remax. I'm giving you a call. I noticed your property listing had expired in the MLS. I was curious, how on earth did the property not sell? If you would, please give me a call back. My number is 561-516-2442. Again, 561-516-2442. Thank you. All right, we're down to the last call, it looks like, for the chiropractor. We've hit him on every line. 1 if by air, 2 if by sea. Hit him every way. Hit them every way. Bah, bah, bah. I got to punch at both screens. Hello.
Hi, we're unable to answer the phone right now, so at the tone, leave a brief message and we'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.
This is definitely the wrong number. Good morning. This is Chris Igoe with Remax. I'm giving you a call. I noticed your property listing had expired in the MLS. I was curious, how on earth did the property not sell? If you would, please give me a call back. My number is 561-516-2442. Again, 561-516-2442. Thank you.
Your calling session is now
Boom,
complete.
boom, boom.
All records have been called based on your call
So
message.
that's it.
To log
6
out
of
and dialer,
6.
simply hang up your phone now. To start a new session, please press the OK button.
And that's it. So get on the phone. Call 10 FISBOs. Get shit done. Do big things. Have a good day. Later.